So I forgot to close the door. I thought I'd close his door, the parakeets. It turns out I didn't. So one of them got out, and now he's over here. I don't know what he's trying to do. I guess he's trying to bond with Wallum. I don't know if you call that bonding. Both of them aren't tamed, so they have that in common, I guess. The other parakeets is still in the cage, because that one is more behaved than this blue one here. I call him Siani because of its color. It's a cyan color. But yeah, I don't know what he's doing there. I'm hoping he'll get back to his cage when he gets hungry, so I won't have to force him to go back, because that's gonna be it's not gonna be good. Oh. And here comes Mella over here. Don't know what she's doing. I think she's aggravated. Because every time I try to give her a scritch, she kind of launch at me. But yeah, I don't know what's happening. Okay. I was trying to get Mello to come out, but she doesn't want to. I don't think she's wants to deal with the parakeet. They haven't really hung out or bonded. Right, Mello? Oh, let me get this out. There's Mello. What are you doing, Mello? Want to come out? Let me play with the parakeet. Come on. There you go. Where do you want to go, huh? You want to go there? Yeah. We'll see. So now she's out. I'm surprised she wanted to be out. The parakeet is there. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I haven't had these situations before, okay? So I've never had them out at the same time before. Well, the parakeets don't come out because they're not tamed. But let's see how this go. Look at him climb up there. So what's going on? Oh. Yeah, Mello doesn't want to be close to him. What's happening, Mello? I think he wants to play. Say hi. Oh. Oh. Well, they flew around, and then Parakeet went back to its cage. Well, the top of his cage. And then Mello. So she's back here to her cage, the top of her cage. So I guess they kind of spook each other out. We'll see again if they, I don't know. We'll just kind of test it out if they get close to each other again. But at least we know now that was a test. I mean, it's their first time out together, so maybe that's normal. We'll see. So there's Siani. The other one doesn't want to come out. I have their door open. See? I'm hoping Siani would go back in. I don't think the other one would come out. I don't know, for some reason She likes being inside, I guess. See? There she is. They're talking to each other. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave them alone because so they're pretty much bonded with each other. They don't really need me, you know. I'm pretty much just their feeder. You know, I change their I make sure they got food and clean water. That's it. They just do their own thing. So it's best to leave them alone. They kind of sound like Mellow though when they're not screaming. Yeah. All right. Yep. Just gonna leave him alone. So good news. He learned his way back inside the cage. So yeah, that's pretty good. So I think from now on though, whenever I'm home, I'm just gonna leave their cage open, so maybe they can come out and fly around. Now that I know, now that I have proof that they know how to go back into their cage. So I think that's gonna be the plan. So that way they're not so loud. I think that's the reason why they're so loud most of the time is because they want to come out. Um, but yeah, I mean they don't trust me at all, but at least they're you know, they're flying outside their cage, and then they can go back whenever they want to without me having to force them to go back in. So good job, parakeets.